Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure OnePlus 12R for a senior person. And to do this, first we'll need to click on the settings. Inside, look for the simple mode. You can click on the search to find it, and then we can enter the simple mode, and that is honestly all we have to do. Because as you can see, when we're in that mode, all of the font as well as the icons becomes much bigger. Also, when we go for our settings, they will be limited, so that means you can't break anything on your phone or change settings if you don't want them. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.